Welcome to the world of industrial flavor, as we trace the journey of garlic from the soil to a fine powder. Our story begins in the vast garlic plantations, where the finest bulbs are matured under perfect conditions. Large-scale garlic harvesting requires precision machinery to avoid damaging the delicate cloves. Speed is essential. Thousands of tons of raw garlic are transported to the factory within hours of harvest. Step inside the massive processing facility, where the transformation of garlic begins. The garlic intake process is the first stage, handling massive volumes of raw material. A powerful air blast system removes the outermost layers of dirt and debris from the garlic. Mechanical vibrators ensure that only pure garlic moves forward in the production line. The bulb breaking machine uses soft rollers to separate the garlic cloves without crushing them. Now separated, these garlic cloves are ready for the most difficult part, peeling.
Using advanced air pressure technology, the skin is blown off every single garlic clove instantly.
The result is perfectly clean, naked garlic cloves, ready for the washing stage. The waste skins are collected separately to be used in organic composting or animal feed.
A multi-stage washing process ensures the garlic is free from any microscopic impurities.
Ozone technology is used to naturally sanitize the garlic without using harsh chemicals. Brushing ensures that any remaining stubborn film on the garlic skin is removed. Advanced AI cameras scan 5,000 garlic cloves per minute, ejecting any that are discolored. Precision sorting ensures that only the highest quality garlic reaches the next stage. Surface moisture is removed to prepare the garlic for the slicing process.
Industrial slicers cut the garlic cloves into thin, even pieces for efficient dehydration.
Uniform thickness is key. It ensures every garlic slice dries at the exact same rate. The garlic slices enter a massive dehydration chamber that spans the length of the building. Low heat drying is used to preserve the essential oils and pungent aroma of the garlic.
Slowly, the water content of the garlic is reduced from 70% down to less than 5%.
After several hours, the garlic slices become brittle and concentrated in flavor.
These dried garlic flakes are now ready for the most important transformation. A magnetic separator ensures that no metallic particles have entered the garlic stream.
Enclosed transport systems prevent any contamination of the dried garlic flakes.
The grinding stage uses powerful mills to turn garlic flakes into coarse granules. Depending on the requirement, the garlic can be ground into granules or fine powder.
Multi-layered sieves ensure the garlic powder is consistent in texture and size.
This is the final form: pure, concentrated, industrial garlic powder.
Quality control is constant. Every batch of garlic powder is tested for purity. We measure the allicin levels to ensure the medicinal and flavor strength of the garlic. Bulk packaging begins, filling 500-kilogram bags for industrial food manufacturers.
Heavy-duty sacks are sealed to keep moisture out and the garlic aroma in.
The garlic powder is stored in a temperature-controlled environment to maintain quality.
For the consumer market, garlic powder is diverted to high-speed bottling lines. Thousands of jars per hour are prepared to receive the fresh garlic powder. The auger system ensures that every jar gets the exact weight of garlic powder. Induction sealing locks in the flavor and prevents the garlic powder from clumping. Automated capping ensures a perfect, airtight seal for every unit. Branding and nutritional information are applied at lightning speeds. Full traceability is maintained even at the individual jar level. One final safety check ensures the garlic powder is 100% safe for consumption. Secondary packaging prepares the garlic powder for transport to supermarkets. Efficiency is key. The entire garlic line is a masterpiece of modern engineering. From this facility, garlic powder is shipped to restaurants and kitchens worldwide.
The final result of this long industrial journey is the flavor you know and love.
Monitoring the garlic throughput ensures the factory meets global demand.
Using green energy helps reduce the carbon footprint of garlic production. Sustainability means recycling every drop of water used in the garlic factory.
Even the non-edible parts of the garlic are converted into clean energy.
Deep cleaning protocols are followed daily to maintain a sterile garlic line.
As one shift ends, another begins, keeping the garlic supply chain moving.
It all starts with nature and ends with industrial perfection.
The concentrated power of garlic provides health benefits in every pinch. Garlic powder is a staple ingredient for the global food industry.
Our garlic reaches over 60 countries, flavoring the world.
Pure, white, and potent, the gold standard of garlic processing.
Bringing the taste of fresh garlic to every home, conveniently. Inventory management in the garlic warehouse is fully automated.
Precision tuning ensures the garlic cloves remain undamaged during peeling.
Food-grade steel is used throughout the garlic factory for maximum hygiene.
Direct export from the garlic factory ensures the lowest possible prices.
Keeping garlic powder dry is the secret to its long shelf life.
Chefs around the world rely on our garlic powder for consistent taste.
The gentle vibration helps move the garlic without any bruising.
Environmental controls keep the factory air clean for all workers.
Regular maintenance prevents any downtime in the garlic production cycle.
Meeting international standards for organic garlic processing.
A global network fueled by the love for garlic flavor.
The essence of garlic is preserved through our specialized drying process.
Science and technology working together to perfect the garlic powder.
Human expertise monitors every second of the garlic's journey. versatile packaging options for every type of garlic consumer.
The connection between the farm and the garlic factory is seamless.
The power of air replaces the need for chemicals in garlic peeling.
The final flow of a successful garlic processing cycle. Digital tracking ensures every bag of garlic powder is accounted for. Nature's complex design, simplified into a convenient garlic powder. Worker safety is the highest priority in our garlic production. Another day of excellence in the world of garlic manufacturing. Cold washing preserves the garlic's sensitive flavor compounds.
Massive scale, yet focused on every single garlic clove.
Essential for the baking industry, providing consistent garlic aroma.
Sharp blades ensure clean cuts and better drying for the garlic.
Sanitation is the foundation of our garlic processing success.
Perfectly uniform particles for a smooth garlic powder experience. The quiet growth before the high-energy garlic harvest begins.
Tough machines for a tough crop. The garlic harvest is intense.
The perfect shade of cream white indicates high-quality garlic powder.
Proudly producing garlic powder for the global market.
The unmistakable scent of quality, straight from our garlic factory.
Into the heart of the machine, where garlic becomes powder.
Protecting the integrity of the garlic supply chain 24/7.
The future of garlic farming is here, starting with a single seed. For the fastest delivery, garlic powder takes to the skies.
Constantly designing better ways to process the world's garlic.
Preserving tradition through modern garlic technology.
The purity of nature, the precision of the garlic factory.
Powering the industry that feeds the world's hunger for garlic.
Thank you, Victory for Livelihoods. Thank you for exploring the garlic factory with us today.
Join us for the next journey into the heart of industry.
From fresh cloves to fine powder, this is garlic perfected. Inside production, where nature meets the machine. Stay curious. See you in the next factory. Until then, keep the flavor alive. Our precision ensures that not a single bad clove enters the powder.